Hi, I'm David. I'm the founder and CEO of Eugene Marketing AI. Eugene is in marketing. It's an artificial intelligence specialized in marketing. Basically, what we do is that we create marketing campaigns in scratch of minutes. So how it works? Basically, you create here. You have a chat, and you can answer a couple of questions, and it generates everything for you. Or if you're a more advanced user, you explain them how to do. So by this means that I just create a simple prompt, I generate campaign, and while it thinks, you can see there's nothing over here. There's nothing yet full. It's actually blank. And in a couple of seconds, it takes no more than 1 minute, maximum 1.5 minutes to generate all the campaign in a second. Great, as you see, it took just a couple of minutes, a couple of seconds actually, to generate all the marketing campaign. So let's start with the first thing. We got something called the first step, which is the marketing plan. It is like thinking how to create a campaign. So it tells you exactly what is your value offer. It takes time to create this for the normal person, but Eugene does this for you in seconds. It recommends you how to market it and give you core insights. All this is what we call the conceptual part. So we create even the marketing campaign, which is the creativity behind it, all the slogans, brand manifesto, etc. This is what we call a creative marketing CMO. When we have this created, we can have things such as you can create the brand identity, you can tell them how the brand works or speaks, you can generate things such as for example, elevator speech in just seconds. It takes and understands the brand, and it generates exactly what you need. Right. So when we have this finished, you go to the funnel roadmap. This is where the money comes for the owner for the user of this platform. Why? Because it generates a full campaign. You see, you got here the value offer. It's way smaller for you, and then it generates all the sales acquisition process. So based on what here it thinks, it says, okay, for you to sell, you need an ad, landing pages, triage, email, CRM, assets, etc. So you start here. Look, here's the ad. It tells you exactly these are the ads, and you can ask and you can generate hundreds of ads to almost every single platform, and it adjusts to any social media or also paid media. When you get that, it's a funnel. So you see, we got here, for example, the first ad. It would go directly to the landing page. So it generates a landing page. You see, I can launch the funnel, and now I can see the landing page working. See the landing page working, and it's interactive. You have here something like David, you get it. You have things like this. It's like you think this. It's actually interactive thing, and there you go. Now you have captured a lead. It thinks the strategy and it gives you every part of the strategy. So now you have this. It generates the triage, which are all the questions that you've seen already wrote in. It sends you the email, so you say, okay, this is the way you have to connect to your clients, and you see the CRM. Now, CRM is quite good because with the CRM, you can see that right now I have captured one single person in seconds. I can see what person is doing. I can see exactly his email, contact, all the information. You see, it thought everything for this specific campaign, and now I can send them emails. I can either write something, whatever you want, and it would say confirm and send. Here you go, and you can see I got here my Gmail, and you can see I've already got here the first email. Here. Of course, it has nothing, but it comes from Eugene International University, which is one of my clients. So we got here work. You see. Now, what else we can do here? We can create also content factory. This is more social media, more organic. You can ask things such as one for LinkedIn. I'm just doing this fast for LinkedIn, and it will generate three. Let's put here four. You can generate things such as this. It things, you go structures everything, see the marketing campaign, you get all the funnel, and you see you have already done and generated a full marketing campaign for an organic reach in LinkedIn. It gives you hooks and give you a standard copy, but it gives you a more advanced one, which is actually you can do it in different languages. Right now, we're working on image generation. It's not fully completed, but we're working on it. But we can actually do it better because you can adjust the copy over here, for example, and you have the image and you have the copy, so you're publishing. You can publish. Now we cannot publish yet, but we done it. There's a thing we can do things such as a video studio. We can create a video. We can create paid media, generate ads for LinkedIn, etc. So it's a full platform that thinks your marketing strategy, understands your business, tell you exactly what is your value offer, how to turn that into a real sales acquisition process. It means like how to attract clients. It gives you a funnel, a roadmap, and this is the software. But the good thing here is that this has two models. One is B2C, that people come here, they pay, they pay for, they upgrade the plan, they change the plan they want, they choose one they want, and they pay for it. But we have a second model, which is B2B, that we have clients already. And they not only use this, but we launch the strategy, we assist them, we become their marketing agency behind everything. This is Eugene Marketing AI. Thank you very much.